this tutorial I am going to show you how to activate Windows 10. In case you missed the trial for the free upgrade, it's work on the Windows 10 Home Pro and all the other kinds. As you can hear, I have just installed Windows 10 Pro and Windows is not activated. To activate Windows 10, download Windows Key Activator from description link. Go to web browser. Enter the link in the address bar and press enter, then click download. Now extract KMSAuto file. After that, go into the folder and right-click on KMSAuto.exe file and select Run as Administrator. Click Next button. Select I accept the agreement, then click Next button and follow the instruction. Go to Program Files and find KMSAuto folder. Go to KMSAuto folder. Find KMSAuto.exe file and run as administrator. Click red button. Now Windows 10 is activated. We will check our Windows 10 Pro. Now Windows 10 is activated. Now Windows 10 is activated. In this process, we can easily activate Windows 10. Yeah.